This is Larts Bay in Adelaide. We have a market here. There's the beach. And have a look. Look, yum. It says please touch. Haha, please touch. Please touch. Normally it's don't touch. Yes. Wow, it's sunny. Very sunny. And my head is already in weird shape. Smile in the middle. Oh. Sackers. Do you use super glue?
Sorry?
How do you glue it?
I just hot glue gun my door.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, just something different, yes.
It's a nice day to be out today. It's the 21st of December 2024 and it's very loud, but it's good. I like to be out. Oh, nice, huh? Handmade with love. You can use coconut as a shape and then decorate the outside. Good idea. This is 3D printing. Oh, 3D printing cookie cutting thing. People do 3D printing these days.
Yes. And then I've also got that one too.
A lot.
Smaller one as well.
Have a look. I have done this. I do 3D printing. Hermit crab. A flower frog. The doggy liked me.
Hello.
Hi. Aha. Socks.
on it.
It's good that we have markets here during the day. This is cars. They don't need to attach themselves on the plants. I think this is laser cutting.
So, anyway.
Is it laser cutting?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, thank you.
Coming down and looking at my pineapple. It is cute.
See you later. Over here.
What's that? There's a tote bag. Oh. A lot of good items, and I like to do these by myself. Never sold anything, but they're giving me good ideas.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah.
Your web address she.com.au. Oh, this is nice. $2,950. Good work.
I think it's going to ease. I'm crossing my fingers.
Oh, good work. Find how I can get all this metal for free though, because I don't want to make rubbish. But if I can gather things and make it myself, toys for dogs. The dog is so excited.
Otherwise we did.
Oh, something has dropped.
Yeah, actually, you fit this for now.
everyone is trying to fight against the wind. Almost finished one round.
Yeah.
Two cats. Tiny fish. Oh. We can have a taste. This is beer, craft beer.
I wanna take you anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove.